Hello, today is September 8th, and I'm currently on Gary's lawn here in Lake Forest Park area. And we've had a hard summer here. But Gary's got an older lawn. It's a beautiful property, but this is definitely an older lawn. It's having some issues here. But I'm trying to bounce it back for Gary here. I've just aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. And I also put on an enhanced lime product. And I'm hoping this comes out really nice for Gary. I'm going to make it back in about a month's time and see how this lawn looks. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching Company. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today, I'm in North Seattle, Lake Forest Park, just outside Sheridan Beach. And today is interesting noises here in the background. Today is October 13th, and this is a lawn that I have previously aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And I did this earlier in September. This lawn has been cut several times now. And I noticed some of the seed is still germinating down here. And I'm just really tickled pink for the person, because this lawn did not look good last time I was here. And I'm very glad for the client. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching Company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.